Want to share your Instagram instance with all of your followers? We're here to help. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to create and share an instance recap on Instagram. Now let's get started. To create an instance recap, open Instagram and go to your Messages tab. Tap the instance icon in the bottom right corner. Then tap the album icon in the top right corner. Here you can see all of your past instance. Tap the selection tool in the top right corner. Then select the instance you want to share. At the bottom, tap Create Recap. This will automatically generate a story with your selected instance, along with text overlays that say Instance Recap and the date. You can customize or delete these if you like. Edit your story how you want it with text, stickers, and music. Then tap your story or close friends to share it. That's all it takes to create and share an instance recap on Instagram. Want to learn more about Instance? Check out these tutorials next. Click one of the videos on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.